falling. The long, lonely nights are now at an end. The key to my heart you hold in your hand, but nothing else matters. We're together again, together again.